everybody. Today when I was thinking about some of my favorite transportation, I remembered the time when I went in a hot air balloon in Kenya over the Masai Mara. It was so interesting to see all of the animals and the landscape from that angle. So today I made this hot air balloon out of some paper and string. I've created a video demonstration on how you can make your own. Have fun and be creative. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye.
The materials I used for this project are colored paper, scissors, glue, markers, string, and a hole punch. Here's how I made this template. First, cut out 4 balloon shapes from your template. I like to cut along the fold so that they're symmetrical. Next, punch a hole in the top of each shape and decorate them. Hot air balloons are so colorful and have lots of different decorations, so I've added a bunch of patterns to mine. Then glue half of each shape to another half. Finally, punch holes in the balloon top and connect with the strings for the basket. Here's how I made my basket.